Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to navigate Wireframe View. Want to take your VCarve Pro skills to the next level? Today, we're diving into the Wireframe View, a powerful tool that can make your designs sharper, cleaner, and more precise. So if you've created the toolpath, you're going to see, if I turn on the visibility of the toolpath within the toolpath menu, inside of the 2D view, you can see it's going to show in a wireframe view where the toolpath is being generated and which direction the toolpath is going. So what exactly is wireframe view? In simple terms, it's a mode in VCarve Pro that strips away the fill and shading from your design, leaving just the outlines or vectors. It's like seeing the skeleton of your project. You can turn off the view of toolpaths in the 2D view by clicking the toggle Toolpath 2D. Wireframe view, is this important? Because it lets you see every detail of your design without distractions. Whether it's tiny overlaps or misaligned lines, Wireframe View reveals it all. You'll see that will turn on and off the visibility of the toolpath. And then your last option is going to be switching from the wireframe to a solid colored view. And that means whatever is in this purple shaded color is going to be machined with a toolpath. So that's a great way to turn that on and off, just to see what is being carved and what is not being carved with your particular toolpaths. Wireframe View in VCarve Pro might seem simple, but it's a powerhouse for precision and problem solving. Give it a try on your next project and let me know in the comments how it helped. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CNC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!